listen. So as getting an input, we have saw that first method scanner class be done. So next method we are going to use with the help of command line argument, right? So with the help of command line argument, while executing the program itself, you will be sending the input, right? So whenever main called, when main called, Java class file will be executed, right? That time itself main is called. That case itself, you can directly go get with the input definitions. Okay, so that we'll discuss now. Scanner class you have done. Now we are going to discuss a command line argument, right? So command line argument is nothing but, okay, so here you are not supposed to import anything because we are directly getting an input from the user while executing the program itself, right? So these and all not required because we don't have any scanner class instead or anything, right? So what is my command line argument? When main function is called, you will be sending an input, right? That's what I have informed you. So what input you are calling? Whenever you method called along with that input, that is called a function with return type. I mean function with the argument, right? So function with argument, without argument. Likewise, you guys learned, right? 4 different type: function with return type, function without return type, function with argument, function without argument. Likewise, you will be having 4 different combination, right? Do you remember? The same thing here, always main function is without return type and with argument, right? So that type only we'll be discussing now. So this with argument, we are going to be make use of it. My argument type is nothing but string array. String array is having a name L. Okay, so now I'm going to get first input as a equal to L array, first index value 0. Similar way, b value is nothing but L input 1. You got it? So now I want to execute this program. So I'm just having A and B and addition I'll be giving, right? So let me save this program as command dot java. Okay. Java C command dot java. So Java, if I executed the file without giving any input, okay, this is how we'll be doing, right? So after compiling your program file, you'll be directly executing your class, right? So during a command line argument, if you're not giving any input in this line and you'll be directly entering, you'll get an error called array index out of bind exception. Okay, now you'll get an error array index out of bound exception you'll get because you didn't mention any input, but you have used in the program L of 0 and L of 1. Then how to give this, ma'am? If you're asking the question, then I'll be giving the answer LWD. So what input you gave it? A and B, right? So let me give 100 and 200. So what output you'll expect before running the program? You just go ahead with this system.out.println A plus B. So what you will get? I gave this as 100. Okay, and this as 200. What output you will get? So definitely people will go with, what is the output? 100 plus 200. What is the output? Tell me, guys.
300.
300. But you won't get a 300. You will get 100, 200. Why? Because you have mentioned these two as a string. So 100 plus 200, what will happen? You will get a 100 plus 200 directly. You won't get a 100 plus 200, 300. Then you can ask the question, ma'am, I have given an integer, but it is taking a string. Yeah, we have mentioned this as a string, right? Suppose you have mentioned this as a int. What will happen? Definitely you will get an error because string line command line argument you have given as a string type, but this is assigned to integer, right? So I have given a of 0 is nothing but what? String, but it is assigned to the value is integer. So what I supposed to do? I have to make the string into a integer type with the help of a wrapper class that is called auto boxing. Okay, so integer dot parse int of, integer dot parse int of. You got it? So integer is my wrapper class. If it is a float, you are supposed to go float dot. Okay. So parse is nothing but making a conversion from string type to integer type. This is my method, but it is comes under a wrapper class called integer. Float having float wrapper class, double having double wrapper class. Okay. Now this string type is going to converted as a integer type with the help of auto boxing technique. Okay, so now save this. Let me go ahead with the execution part. Java C command dot Java. My file class is lwd space 100 200. Right now you'll get a 300. I hope everyone clear with this, right? Yes or no? Command line argument with the help of integer passed int of technique. That is, you are converting a string type into a respective data type. This is called auto boxing. Okay, so you are just making use of a string argument into a